Today I'm unpacking the finishing lab, part number 1598. There's 14 solutions in this kit, and they're used for identifying various coatings, some of the most common metal coatings on metals. So sometimes it's the base metal, like iron, for example, and then there's other coatings such as tin, chromium, nickel. This test kit can identify those. As I said, 14 solutions, 3 eyedroppers. These eyedroppers go with the amber glass bottles. There's 140 papers in each acrylic box, plus the Electrospot Model 4. The Electrospot Model 4 is the current supply. If you want to learn more, check out the Electrospot method. It has an aluminum cylinder as well as the alligator clip, which you could clip onto your metal. Thank you for watching.